Hi freshmen, welcome to week 4. Just wanted to kind of give you some other instructions about this week. Right now week 4, which is this week starting on the 20th, not published yet, but you'll see it here when it becomes available on the 20th. Okay, so click into that folder. Same thing as the last few weeks, you're going to take a quiz on the pages from last week, okay, and then you're going to read this week's pages and fill out this discussion. So just to remind you on the discussion, I'm looking for multiple sentences. It should not just be one sentence. I'm thinking like 3 to 5 sentences per question. That should take you enough time that I would think that would show me that you read the pages and that you're doing that depth, that, you know, as almost sophomores, you're really kind of thinking about the question, thinking about multiple perspectives, really justifying why you think something is the correct answer or not, just based on your opinion, because this is an argument question this week. So really go a little deeper, a little bit more beyond the surface level. I want you to really think about that. That's the whole point. Okay. If you're looking about what pages to read this week, again, you're going to use the reading schedule. This is super helpful. I find myself looking at it quite a bit. And we're down here on week 4. Okay. And I'm sorry, week 4 is right here, pages 34 through 47. Those are the pages on the PDF, or through the end of chapter 151. Okay, due at the end of the week, quiz 3, which I just showed you, and that online discussion, taking sides. Okay, next week we don't have a discussion, but we'll do a little poetry analysis. So if you want to know what's coming in the next few weeks, it should all be on there on the reading schedule. Email me if you have any questions, or you can meet me for office hours on Wednesdays from 2 to 3. And we can talk then. Hope you're doing well and staying safe.